The Little Explorer's Guide to Earth. Once upon a time, in a bright and curious classroom, there was a little girl named Ella who loved exploring. She didn't travel far. Her adventures began right in her backyard, where every rock, leaf, and worm felt like a secret waiting to be discovered. Ella dreamed of being an explorer of the earth, not to find treasure, but to learn how to protect the beautiful world she loved. One sunny afternoon, as she read her favorite book about planets, a glowing green light filled her room. Suddenly, a tiny talking globe appeared on her desk. "Hello, Ella," said the globe with a friendly smile. "I'm Terra, the spirit of Earth. I hear you want to be an explorer. Would you like to go on a journey with me?" Ella gasped. "A journey around the world? Really?" Terra spun excitedly. "Yes, but this won't be a regular trip. This is the Little Explorer's Guide to Earth, where you'll learn how to keep our planet safe and happy." Ella grabbed her backpack and nodded eagerly. "Let's go." Chapter 1: The Forest's Secret. With a swirl of green light, Ella and Terra landed in a lush rainforest. Birds chirped high in the trees, and colorful butterflies fluttered past. "This is beautiful," said Ella. "But the forest is in danger," said Terra sadly. "Too many trees are being cut down, and animals are losing their homes." Ella watched a monkey swinging from a branch that suddenly cracked and fell. "That's awful. What can we do?" "Planting new trees, using less paper, and choosing recycled products can help forests grow back," Terra explained. Ella picked up a seed that had fallen nearby and planted it gently in the soil. "There, one small tree for a better world." Terra smiled. "Every small act counts, little explorer." Chapter 2: The Crying Ocean. Next, they swooshed over sparkling waves, landing on a sunny beach. The ocean shimmered blue, but as Ella looked closer, she saw plastic bottles and wrappers floating on the tide. "The ocean is crying," Terra whispered. "Our waste ends up here, hurting fish, turtles, and whales." Ella bent down and picked up a plastic bag tangled around a seashell. "That's so sad." "You can help," said Terra. "Use reusable bottles, recycle, and never leave trash behind." Ella and Terra spent the afternoon cleaning the shore. A dolphin leaped from the water and chirped joyfully as the waves grew clearer. Ella laughed. "The ocean's smiling again." Terra nodded. "Because you cared." Chapter 3: The City of Change. With a flash, they appeared in a busy city. Cars honked, smoke filled the air, and bright lights glowed everywhere. "It's so noisy," said Ella, covering her ears. "This is where people live and work," said Terra. "But all this energy takes a toll on the planet." Ella looked around. "So, what can we do here?" "Walk, ride bikes, or use buses instead of cars," Terra explained. "And use eco-green energy, like sunlight and wind." They watched as children in the city garden planted flowers, powered lights with solar panels, and rode colorful bicycles. Ella smiled. "Even big cities can be green." Chapter 4: The Promise. When Ella returned home, the stars twinkled above her house. Terra hovered beside her, glowing softly. "You've learned so much," Terra said proudly. "Do you know the most important rule in the Little Explorer's Guide to Earth?" Ella thought for a moment. "That every person, even a small one, can help make the world better?" Terra beamed. "Exactly. Earth doesn't need heroes. It needs helpers who care." As Terra faded into the night sky, Ella looked out her window. She whispered to the trees, the sky, and the stars. "I'll keep exploring. I'll keep protecting." And from somewhere in the wind, she could almost hear Terra whisper back, "Thank you, little explorer." The mantra. Moral of the story: caring for Earth begins with small steps. Planting a tree, cleaning up trash, saving water, or choosing green energy. When we explore with kindness and curiosity, we become guardians of the planet we call home. Be curious, be kind, be an Earth explorer.